Hola mis amigos y amigas. Hi friends and girlfriends. Por si acaso no lo sabían, yo soy salvadoreña.
Salvadoreña de ojos negros el canela, eres la rosa de la América Central.
In case you didn't know, I'm Salvadoran. In an effort to help my Salvadoran family understand these videos, I'm going to start translating everything I say from English to Spanish. En un esfuerzo para ayudar a mi familia lindísima salvadoreña, voy a traducir todo lo que diga en inglés a español. Also, I may forget to do this. It's hard to remember to translate everything. So if I do, I'll include subtitles. También, si se me olvida traducir uno de los idiomas, voy a incluir capítulos para ayudar a entender. Acompáñenos en nuestra aventura. Join us on our adventure.
Yo soy Sandy.
Hi, I'm Sandy.
And this is Sang. Y él es Sang. Dejamos a Los Ángeles en rumbo al sur. We left LA to road trip down south con nuestra perrita Tommy, with our dog Tommy. We don't know how far south we'll go yet. No sabemos qué tan al sur vamos a ir. Lo estamos tomando día a día. We're taking it day by day. Acompáñanos en nuestra aventura. Join us on our adventure.
Oh, yum. These are guavas. I kind of want to try one. It is thundering. It might rain for a little bit, although it is so humid. We left the desert and entered into tropical territory. We're still in Baja, California. This is called mulegé. I just rinsed this. Well, it's so good. Oh my gosh, I should go find some more. This is such a cute little campsite. There's like bananas on the floor. And we're really close to the beach. We wanted to go right now, but it might rain. So maybe we'll postpone it. Hey, Sang. I'm filming right now. I found this guava on the floor. I rinsed it. Do you want to try it?
Sure.
It's pretty good. What are your thoughts?
It's pretty good. It's like eating a lemon and a melon and lettuce at the same time.
Yeah, it's pretty small. Yeah, they're tiny. I thought they were limes. Mmm.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm up for it.
Oh wow. Ooh. La casita. Yeah, it's here.
During our walk, we noticed a big event being set up, so we decided to check it out instead. Durante nuestra caminata, notamos que se estaba organizando un gran evento, por lo que decidimos echarle un vistazo. We were told that these were the patron saint festivities, where the Queen of Mulegé would be crowned. Nos dijeron que esta eran las fiestas patronales, donde se iba a coronar la reina de Mulegé. The next morning, we left Mulegé towards Playa de Concepción. A la mañana siguiente, salimos de Mulegé en rumbo a Playa de Concepción y empezamos a hacer sándwiches, and we started making sandwiches. We chose our palapa, and whilst enjoying the sunny skies, elegimos nuestra palapa, Y mientras disfrutamos de los cielos soleados, we noticed that a storm was headed directly towards us. Notamos que una tormenta se dirigía directamente hacia nosotros. We wolfed down our sandwiches and started packing up the car. Atoramos nuestros sándwiches y empezamos a empacar el carro. The storm began with lightning, rain, and thunder. Comenzó la tormenta con relámpagos, lluvia y truenazos. We got drenched. Nos empapamos.
Jeez. So that escalated really quickly. We got drenched.
That was like from the bottom of the
Yeah. The lightning is really close. Like you see the lightning and then it thunders right away. And the tide was rising. So we're just gonna, I don't even know where we're gonna go. Away from the ocean.
We shouldn't be out in the open. Might be so close.
Yeah.
Let's get out of here.
Whoa, you are wet. You want a towel?
I'll charge my pocket. Sheesh.
Oh, it's okay, Tom. Tommy doesn't like thunderstorms. Oh, the van's getting washed. It really needed it. It's gonna get tricky going through this.
Thankfully, the dirt roads weren't too flooded and we were able to drive back. Afortunadamente, los caminos de tierra no estaban demasiado inundados y pudimos conducir de regreso.
So we were looking for a city, somewhere to chill out while it thundered. So we pulled over to the closest stop, which was this other cute beach. There's also palapas. And there's someone in the water right now, which is crazy. There's still lightning and it's also thundering. But the sky is clearing up, so we're just gonna wait it out. But poor Tom Tom, she's not having a good time. Oh girl, it's okay, it's okay. And I'm just editing videos.
Once it was clear for an hour, we decided to go in for a swim. Una vez que estuvo despejado por lo menos una hora, decidimos ir a nadar.
So the storm passed, it feels really nice, the water's warm, it's calm. There are fishes close to shore, which is cute, there must be a lot of wildlife. And yeah, I'm gonna go in and swim with my neon cap, because there are kayakers and I don't want to get run over. Wish me luck!
After swimming, I had Tommy practice swimming too, so she could get comfortable swimming with small waves. Después de nadar, hice que Tommy practicara nadar un poco, para que se acostumbrara a olas pequeñas.
Tommy, come on! Come on, Tommy! Come on, Tommy!
To motivate Tommy more, we busted out her frisbee. Para motivar a Tommy más, sacamos su frisbee.
Do you see it, Dante? Do you see it? It's close. Want me to get it? You want me to get it? Yeah, you want to try to get it? Here, let's go downtown. It's over here. Tommy girl, over here. Do you see it? Do you see it? Good girl. Wow. Wow, Tom Tom. The shell matches you, Tom Tom. Hey, Gene,
It got so calm. Before it was like so.
Yeah, can you imagine? There was a storm earlier with lightning and thunder, and we were going away from it, and now it's like the storm never happened. So crazy. Ah, so nice.
We woke up the next morning to sunny skies and the water clearer than ever. Nos levantamos a la mañana siguiente con cielos soleados y el agua más clara que nunca. There were many fishes that loved following Sang. Habían muchos peces que gustaban de perseguir a Sang. These fishes camouflaged perfectly with the sand. Estos peces se escondían perfectamente entre la arena.
Sang was practicing stalking fish. I saw 4 baby stingrays. They're so cute. They look like little tortillas. They're the color of tortillas and they swim like you're flopping a tortilla. I'm starting to feel sunburnt. So I got out, but it was so nice. Also, these are our bathrooms. Men's bathroom, women's bathroom. And the women's bathroom doesn't even have a door, so you see the highway. It's so funny. You can use the bathroom with a view.
Thank you so much for watching this episode and stay tuned for next week. Muchísimas gracias por ver este video y nos vemos la próxima semana, where we reach a surf camp full of international people. Donde llegamos a un punto de surfeo llenos de personas internacionales y hacemos muchos amigos peludos. And we make a lot of furry friends. Annabelle and Lily, Kai Noel. We love you.